What are HTTP GET and POST requests in Python web scraping? Imagine trying to talk to a website to get information or send data. That's exactly what HTTP requests do. They are the way your computer communicates with web servers. When you build web scraping scripts or automate web tasks in Python, understanding these requests is key. HTTP GET requests are like saying, "Hey, give me that web page." When you visit a website in your browser, it automatically sends a GET request to fetch the page's content. In Python, you can do this easily with the requests library. For example, if you want to grab the HTML of a web page, you use requests.get and pass the URL. The server responds with the web page's HTML code, which you can then analyze or extract data from. It's simple and perfect for pulling static pages. Here's a quick example. You write requests.get with the URL of the page you want. The server sends back the HTML and you print it out. That's how you get the raw data of a web page. Now, POST requests are a little different. Think of them as sending a message to the server with some information attached. For example, when you log into a website or fill out a form, your browser sends a POST request with your username and password or other data. In web scraping, POST requests are useful when you need to interact with a site that requires you to submit data before seeing the content you want. In Python, you use requests.post to do this. You prepare a dictionary with your data, like username and password, and send it to the server. The server then responds with the page or data you're authorized to see. For example, if you want to log into a site to access protected pages, you send a POST request with your login info. The server responds with the HTML of the page after login, which you can then scrape. Both GET and POST requests work with web APIs too. APIs often use GET requests to send you data in a structured format, like JSON. They use POST requests when you need to send data, like creating a new record or submitting a form. In web scraping, GET requests are your go-to for fetching web page content. POST requests come in handy when you need to simulate from submissions or login actions. Knowing how to use both gives you the ability to interact with almost any website or API you encounter. They are essential tools for automating tasks, extracting data, and working with web services in Python.